Imagine a busy shipping department in Malaysia, where every parcel represents a promise to a customer. Outbound verification is the step that ensures each promise is fulfilled accurately and on time. The process begins with meticulous inspection. Staff members carefully match every item against the outbound list, confirming product codes, quantities, and packaging conditions. Accuracy is crucial. Even a small mistake can cost trust and profit. Next, documentation is verified. Every shipment must be accompanied by correct invoices and delivery notes. Staff cross-check these documents to guarantee orders match what's loaded onto transport vehicles. This step prevents errors that could disrupt the supply chain. Physical checks follow. Parcels are examined for proper labeling and secure packaging. Fragile items receive special attention, ensuring they withstand the journey ahead. Staff use safety equipment and follow procedures designed for Malaysian logistics standards. Once all verification steps are complete, shipments are logged and cleared for dispatch. Only after strict checks are parcels authorized to leave the facility, reinforcing accountability and traceability. Accurate outbound verification keeps operations reliable, customers satisfied, and team morale high. When every detail is checked and every item tracked, the shipping department achieves excellence, reflecting Malaysia's commitment to quality in logistics. By mastering this process, staff ensure every shipment departs confidently, safeguarding reputation and business success.